We from Autoneum provide products which enhance driver comfort and make driving an automotive vehicle more ecological. Our acoustic insulation can even transform your vehicle into a mobile concert hall. Your pleasure is our passion. Our stock-listed company employs more than 10,000 people all over the globe. With around 50 locations in over 20 countries, we are the global market and technology leader in acoustic and thermal management for motor vehicles. We are headquartered in Winterthur, Switzerland. Our products are not only multifunctional but also lightweight. This significant advantage is of great value to our customers because lightweight components reduce a car's weight and thus lead to lower fuel consumption and fewer emissions. Our comprehensive acoustic expertise helps reduce vehicle noise considerably. Fitting vehicles with an underbody shield reduces noise and improves aerodynamics at the same time, for example. We work in close cooperation with our customers from concept to launch, aiding light vehicle manufacturers around the globe in making automobiles quieter, lighter, safer, and more comfortable. Manufacture of our innovative parts is based on the Autoneum Production System, APS. This ensures standardized and state-of-the-art production processes. Components encompass a wide range of materials and technologies for use in various sections of cars, ranging from the engine bay and the underbody to the interior floor and the body and white. Our innovative engine encapsulation technology helps store heat, for example, which saves fuel during the next cold start while reducing carbon dioxide emissions. One of our primary concerns is to minimize environmental impacts. This is achieved through the use of recycled materials, eco-efficient plants, and continuous efforts to reduce waste. As a technology leader, we are driving innovation with experience and passion. Thereby, we are well prepared to face future global challenges in acoustic and thermal management. Autoneum, mastering sound and heat.